quick review of these TEMU toy water pistols I got. Now, these are basically clones of, or maybe a variation of, I don't know, other toy pistols you will see online. Usually they are, you know, oh man, it's got this like flaming light coming out of it and it shoots a huge stream of water. Anyway, these came up on sale on TEMU, 2 for $12.16 because, you know, TEMU, right? Everything's cheap as dirt. There's all kinds of made in China stuff on here, specifications, colors, blah, blah, blah. This is literally the only instructions that came with this toy. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory for the most part. Here they are. So they're kind of cool. This one's already got the battery in it. I'll go into that in a second, but basically you just, that's the gist of it. Nothing really fancy. Now, other versions I've seen online are a little bit darker. They have a brighter LED. They have different LEDs, and this whole section comes off. And has like a charger. Supposedly there's a charger in this somewhere. It says it charges right here somewhere, but I don't know where. I think no, it doesn't. So according to the instructions on the TEMU website, there's a charger there. There is not. The charger is actually a direct charge to these very sketchy looking lithium-ion batteries. If they are lithium-ion batteries, IMRs, well, we'll see if they are. Well, I'm not going to test that, but, you know. But what you do get is a USB with a 2-prong connector for positive and negative, and that's how you charge the batteries. So not really super safe. I mean, I doubt you're going to overload this battery. How do you know when it's ready? I have no idea. There doesn't seem to be any indicator light on it at all. Mine came already pre-charged, so kudos for me. So you got this little hose that wiggles into this thing right here, and then you plug it in, and then that goes into this like kind of canteen little thing that you fill with water, which, you know, just kind of like goes in there like this. Oops, sorry. And there's like a twist on kind of thing going on. Let me see. I don't want to break it. Yeah, that's the sketchy part. There we goes. And that's it. There's your whole toy. And there are these little I guess you'd call them accessories. I mean, it's supposed to be a Picatinny of some kind. It barely goes on. I think it goes on the front, actually. That's it. But, I mean, this one's fairly snug-ish. Maybe this one not so much. I remember one of them was super loosey-goosey. It's okay. There's another Picatinny under here as though you're going to have some other kind of accessory, but it just doesn't even stay. Let's see if this one is the loose one. I don't remember. There we go. I mean, you know, you shake this hard enough, it'll just fly off and hit somebody in the face. So, I got some water here already filled up. Ta-da! I think a pump has to get going. It's not producing any liquids. I mean, I'm really going at... Oh, you know why? Because I didn't put the hose in. Duh! It has no access to the water. There we go. Let's try this again. It's really hard to see with this thing. Here we go. Please don't tell me I spilled water everywhere. I didn't. Good. See, yeah, you see that? That thing just fell off. All right, so there's your hose. It's got a little filter, I guess. I don't know. If you've got goldfish in here you want to keep, they won't get sucked up into the... Uh-oh. That's what I'm talking about. These things are so dirt cheap. I mean, for 12 bucks, you can't beat it. It's probably cheaper than Walmart for 2 of them. Although, who knows? Those are probably better quality, I bet. There we go. Let's see if the pump gets in immediately. There it goes. I mean, yeah, it's pretty cool. I've got it way back here. Yeah, man. So, does it work? Yeah, they work. If they look cool, they're dirt cheap. Probably fun for like cosplay if you paint them up, make them look neat. Let's get the water out of there. I mean, you don't even have to have all this extra stuff. And these are probably at least close enough to where if you put like a real mount on here, like a red dot and a laser on here, it'd probably look pretty slick. Might even get you shot by the cops. Yeah, because I mean, from a distance, this would look. This would definitely look real. So I don't recommend this if you're going somewhere where there is a lot of people who might mistake this for a real weapon. Maybe put some orange tape around it, or let them know ahead of time. Hey, this is just a toy. If you're going to like some kind of cosplay event, if you're going to like Comic-Con or whatever. Yeah, man. I mean, sure, they're cool. They make little noises. They shoot water. They have flashing lights. Very slick. They're a little translucent, as you can see. But you could probably just paint them up and make them look really, really cool. But and I've got big hands. My pinky kind of like doesn't have quite the register it should. But I can put my finger through here. So if you're an adult, a full-blown adult, this is probably okay. I mean, you don't need this to be like a super grip or anything. But I mean, for the purpose of just pretend, yeah, why not? Can't beat the price. It does what it's supposed to do. Maybe not as fancy as the ones you might pick up elsewhere, but yeah, for $12 for two of these things, hard to say no. But anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye.